Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Sweet Home, Oregon, and home of the Icebox-built Radiator Supply House Corporation. Over 20 years ago, Radiator Supply House opened their doors for the first time, and the original founders are still operating this company today. Radiator Supply House is a complete manufacturing facility for metal replacement radiators, all aluminum radiators, oil coolers, and charge air coolers. Their inventory includes radiators, oil coolers, charge air coolers, and AC condensers for construction, agriculture, mining, trucking, forestry, critical power, and RV. With a commitment to provide the best quality radiators from the beginning, Radiator Supply House began shipping pre-made radiators right out of the box. Well, today they are an internationally recognized complete fabrication facility with over 60 employees, occupying 12 acres with a shop covering over 40,000 square feet. Up until the past 2 years, Radiator Supply House manufactured cooling systems for just about any type of vehicle. However, recently they have outgrown the automotive vehicle industry, and they now concentrate on original equipment manufacturers and larger cooling systems that are needed for the construction, logging, mining, agriculture, RV, critical power, and trucking industries. The Radiator Supply House team has continued to grow stronger each year, allowing them to become more successful while collaborating with fellow employees. Radiator Supply House has experienced many victories and has felt growing pains through the years, but together with a goal to be the best value to the customer, they believe the next 20 years are their best years. Visit them at radiatorsupplyhouse.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.